In the exciting world of web design, user experience, often referred to as UX, has taken center stage. It's the secret ingredient that can either captivate your audience or send them packing. Imagine landing on a website that feels smooth and intuitive, a place where every click feels right. This is where professional web designers shine, prioritizing UX to create unforgettable visitor experiences. A well-crafted website should feel like a breeze to navigate. Picture this. You arrive on a page and immediately know where to go, what to click, and how to find the information you need. Professionals understand that clarity is key. By designing clear pathways through logical menu structures and thoughtfully placed buttons, they ensure users glide through the site with ease and confidence. This thoughtful design reduces frustration, empowering visitors to explore without barriers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Beyond aesthetics, user experience hinges on how the site performs. We live in a fast-paced world where speed matters. A website that loads quickly and adjusts seamlessly to any device is essential. Today, more users browse on mobile than ever before, so ensuring responsiveness is a must. This not only broadens your audience, but also demonstrates your commitment to a great user experience for everyone. Moreover, engaging layouts play a vital role in capturing and retaining user attention. Professional designers employ visually appealing elements such as high-quality images, compelling typography, and thoughtful color schemes to create an inviting atmosphere. These design choices not only reflect your brand's identity, but also create an emotional connection with visitors. When users feel engaged and connected to your content, they are more likely to take desired actions. Whether it's making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or reaching out for more information. Additionally, a strong focus on UX can lead to improved conversion rates. When visitors have a positive experience on your site, they are more inclined to trust your brand and follow through with their intentions. This translates into increased sales and customer loyalty. In conclusion, prioritizing user experience in web design is essential for any business aiming for success online. By collaborating with professionals who understand the nuances of UX, you can create a website that not only captivates visitors, but also drives conversions, ultimately contributing to your business growth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out our other videos for more website design tips and tricks.